we've had, a dozen or more different artisans, craftsmen, people who know about building trades and that kind of thing work with the students. So for example, this piece of lumber right here was a tree about a week and a half ago, and we went to a local sawmill run by a guy named Wesley Odor, an Amish guy, and he sawed up lumber for some of the projects for our course. So this eventually became part of a solar oven. We had Nelson LaFrances, who's got 35 years worth of metal fabricating experience, and students learned to weld with him, and he also helped them on design because he's very good with the design of mechanical things. We also had Duncan McMaster, who's an expert in the use of Japanese hand tools and the aesthetic of things made by hand versus things made by machine, that kind of artisan craftsmanship. They work with Doug Adam on tool safety in the MUM shop here. They work with John Freeberg, who's built about 50 homes in town, on high-performance building construction. They actually went out and installed some windows in the building and learned how they could make a small building actually out of recycled lumber from Harper Brush, for example. Kevin Hopp, who does solar, he's a plumber, he does solar electric installations, and they learned how to attach the more common types of pipe and how solar hot water systems are connected. Half-day workshop on blacksmithing with Jens Butler, how to forge, make tools with a blacksmith forge. Ken Daly came and talked, because we're working in groups, he came and talked with us about group dynamics and how groups form and the different stages groups go through as they learn to work together. We also went and visited the State House and worked on lobbying public policy to change some of the public policy that keeps these kind of technologies from being more widely used and accepted. So we spent an hour with our state representative, John Whitaker, and our state senator, Becky Smith. And they work with Barry Ross, who's an illustrator, a technical illustrator. And Barry has done things like illustrate exploded views of nuclear power plants that have been published in Scientific American. And this is a quick little sketch Barry Ross did to show how you might draw an exploded view of the wind generator that the students are building here. So they learned a little bit about how to document and draw and communicate about their design ideas. Not only do they have that, the knowledge that they have the connection so that they're working on future projects, they're connected up with all those folks in the community.